In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Webflow quickly and efficiently. Whether you're building a website from scratch or enhancing an existing one, adding a form is a fundamental skill that opens the door to user interaction. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this within minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to Webflow. Simply open your preferred search engine and type Webflow, then select the option to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account. This process is straightforward, ensuring you're set and ready to design your form in no time. Once you're logged into Webflow, the next step is to identify the specific site where you'd like to add your form. In your dashboard, open the project you've been working on or wish to enhance. This step is crucial because working directly on the correct site ensures seamless integration. With your site opened, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on the + icon to access the Add panel. Here, you can either navigate to the Forms section or use the search feature to find Form. When you've found it, drag the form block element onto your canvas, placing it exactly where you envision your form appearing on the web page. Now, with your form block positioned, you can start adding various form elements. Webflow offers a range of options including text fields, drop-downs, and various button types. This flexibility allows you to tailor the form to meet your specific needs, whether it's capturing user contact information, surveying opinions, or gathering feedback. Once your form elements are in place, it's time to customize. Select each form element individually and head to the right sidebar where you'll adjust settings like labels and placeholders. Here, you can also make fields required, ensuring that users provide all essential information before submission. Additionally, configure the form block settings to define things like form names and customize success or error messages. This is where you set the tone for user interactions, guiding them through successful submissions or troubleshooting steps when issues arise. Finally, after building and customizing your form to your satisfaction, it's time to publish. There's nothing quite like watching your hard work come to life. Hit that publish button to make your changes live, and voila! Your website now features an interactive form ready for users to engage with. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a functional and customized form in Webflow, all in about 5 minutes. By following these steps, you empower users to connect and engage with your content effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!